Kelly had enough beads to make 23 necklaces. She used the same number of beads for each necklace. She made 19 necklaces and had 216 beads left. How many beads did Kelly have at first? Now, to do this question, we have to understand that the beads she has was enough for 23 necklaces, but she only made 19. Which means the balance 216 beads could have been used for 23 minus 19, that is 4 necklaces. So 4 necklaces, 216 beads. So we can find the value of one necklace. How many beads will that take? 216 divided by 4. And that will be 54 beads. And how many beads did she have at first? That is enough to make 23 necklaces. So 23 necklaces. That would be 54 times 23. Final answer, 1,242 beads. $1,242 beads.